To get started with Thinkorswim paper trading, you will first need to create a paper trading account on the Thinkorswim platform. This account is a simulated trading environment that allows you to practice trading with fake money. Once you have created your account, you can log in and navigate to the Trade tab where you can start entering trades. The first step in using Thinkorswim paper trading is to set up your account and familiarize yourself with the platform. This includes learning about the different menus and tools available, such as the Trade tab and the Monitor tab. The Trade tab is where you will enter your trades, and the Monitor tab is where you can view your positions and account balances. To enter a trade, you will need to select the stock or option you want to trade and then choose the type of trade you want to enter, such as a buy or sell. You will also need to specify the number of shares or contracts you want to trade and the price at which you want to enter the trade. Once you have entered all of this information, you can submit your trade and it will be executed in your paper trading account. One of the key benefits of using Thinkorswim paper trading is that it allows you to practice trading without risking any real money. This makes it an ideal platform for beginners who are just starting to learn about trading and for experienced traders who want to test out new strategies. To get the most out of Thinkorswim paper trading, it is a good idea to start by setting some goals for yourself, such as what you want to achieve through paper trading and what you hope to learn. You should also be sure to track your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. This will help you to refine your skills and become a more effective trader. In addition to using Thinkorswim paper trading to practice trading, you can also use it to learn about different trading strategies and techniques. The Thinkorswim platform offers a wide range of educational resources, such as webinars and video tutorials that can help you to learn about topics such as technical analysis and options trading. Overall, Thinkorswim paper trading is a powerful tool that can help you to become a more confident and effective trader. By following these steps and using the platform to practice and learn, you can improve your trading skills and achieve your financial goals.